Today, we're checking out a brand new add-on from Higgsfield called Higgsfield Cinema Studio. I spent some time testing it earlier today, and honestly, it's incredible. Everything available on the Higgsfield platform feels like it was built specifically for creators. In my opinion, it's a dream setup. You can try it out for yourself. The links will be right below this video if you want to explore any of the features. But seriously, just look at this.
Every city has secrets tonight. One of them found me. You ran once. Show yourself. You can't escape who you are. Not tonight. This ends now.
Higgsfield Cinema Studio is the latest release from Higgsfield AI, and it allows you to create stunning, Hollywood-style cinematic videos in just minutes. It supports multiple scenes, dynamic camera angles, a wide variety of professional lenses, and smooth cinematic camera movements. The result is truly professional quality video creation with very little effort. And the best part? You don't need advanced editing skills or complicated workflows. All you have to do is upload an image, type a simple prompt, and within moments, your cinematic video is ready. So let's break everything down step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly way and create a cinematic video together. To get started, click the link in the description to visit the official Higgsfield AI website. Once you're there, select Cinema Studio and let the creativity begin. After clicking on Cinema Studio, you'll be welcomed by a clean and intuitive interface. The Cinema Studio dashboard displays a wide range of visually stunning cinematic-style videos, all created using dynamic camera movements and professional camera angles. In the past, tools like VEO 3, Sora 2, and WAN allowed creators to produce high-quality videos. However, Higgsfield Cinema Studio takes things a step further by giving you full control over advanced camera movements and multiple cinematic angles. This allows you to create movie-like shots that feel as if they came straight out of a Hollywood production. Now, let's move over to the creation bar. To start creating a video, the first thing you'll need is an image. If you already have one, you can upload it and use it as a visual prompt to describe your scene. The platform will automatically generate multiple scene-based images for you. To make this easy to follow, I'll walk you through the entire process from scratch. First, I'll generate an image using a text prompt. I'll keep it simple. A cinematic, wide-angle shot of a man walking alone along a city street in the rain, reflective pavement, atmospheric lighting, ultra-realistic movie-quality visuals. Once the prompt is entered, you can choose how many images you want to generate. For this demo, I'll generate just one image. Next, I'll set the image resolution to 4K to ensure premium high-detail results. After that, it's time to fine-tune the key settings. You'll find a selection of professional-grade cameras that are commonly used in high-end film productions, designed to enhance realism and cinematic depth. From the available options, I'll select the ARRI Alexa 35 camera to achieve a truly cinematic look. Next, you can choose your lens. There are multiple high-quality lens options available. I'll go with the ARRI Fignature Prime lens and set the focal length to 14 mm, which is ideal for wide, immersive cinematic shots. Once all the settings are in place, simply click the Generate button. Creating a 4K cinematic image requires just 4 credits, and the image is generated within seconds. As you can see, the image has been successfully generated. It looks crisp, cinematic, and ready to be transformed into a movie-quality video. Now let's move on to the video creation stage. To get started, click on the video option located below the image. Creating a video requires an image, and we've already prepared one. You can upload this image directly as a visual prompt, so there's no need to write a brand new prompt from scratch. For video generation, all you need to do is upload the image and describe the scene you want to bring to life. You also have the option to upload one image for the starting frame and another for the ending frame, but this step is completely optional. Even with just one single image, you can generate a high-quality cinematic video. Now I'll upload the image I just created as the start frame. Once the image is uploaded, you'll need to describe the cinematic scene, basically what you want to see happening in the video. I'll reuse the same prompt I used earlier, a cinematic wide-angle shot of a man walking alone along a city street in the rain, reflective pavement, atmospheric lighting, ultra-realistic movie-quality visuals. You can also manually type your description if you prefer. After describing the scene, you can choose from a variety of dynamic camera movements to enhance the cinematic feel. For this example, I'll select handheld. Next, you can set the video duration between 5 and 10 seconds, turn audio on or off, and optionally enable slow motion. It's really impressive how much control you get here. For now, I'll generate the video without slow motion. Later, we'll test a cinematic slow motion version. You can also choose to generate between 1 and 4 videos in a single run. For this demo, I'll generate 4 videos. Finally, click the Generate button. After a short wait, your cinematic video will be ready. As you can see, the video has been successfully generated. The camera movements are incredibly smooth, delivering a premium Hollywood-style cinematic experience, almost as if the footage was captured using top-tier professional film cameras. You can download, upscale, and edit the video using the options available on the right-hand side of the screen. Now let me show you how to create a slow-motion version using the same image and the same description. This time, I'll keep all the settings the same, set the video duration to 10 seconds, and enable the slow motion. Once that's done, simply click Generate and wait a few moments for the processing to finish. As you can see, the slow motion video is now ready. Let's play it and check out the final result. The results are outstanding. High-quality visuals, smooth and flawless slow motion, and professional-grade cinematic camera movements. I've walked you through the entire process step by step, so now you can create stunning cinematic videos like this without a camera or dealing with complex editing software. All you need is a single image and a short description, and your cinematic video is generated automatically. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more powerful tutorials. Catch you later!